Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean a socket. The jack, the headphone socket in a phone, Samsung Galaxy S9. To clean the headphone socket, we need a small brush like this. In addition, isopropyl alcohol that is 100% pure will help soften the dirt and then fully evaporate, leaving no trace behind. You can buy both of these things yourself in such a set on Allegro, Amazon, and a diffuser. And some kind of round brush. We need to turn off the phone. Never clean it while it's on, because you could damage the phone. So we turn it off, power it down. We wait until it is completely turned off. We soak the brush thoroughly with alcohol. Thoroughly. We take the phone in our hands. The jack port. Here we have a round one. We insert the brush as far as it will go into the port and turn it to the right 5 times. Then 5 times to the left. We pull it out of the port, and we repeat this process about 5 times. So 5 times we insert and remove it, and 5 times in each direction. This way the port will be perfectly cleaned. It will serve you like new for the next few years. After the procedure, set the phone aside for about 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only then can you turn the phone on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. See you in my next video.